Hi, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. We bring health and weight loss related videos on daily basis. Please also see the link in description below for natural weight loss supplement. Clear and stunning pores and skin is one of the major factors of a person's beauty. Healthy skin helps you experience lovely as well. Your skincare routine and lifestyle habits are the predominant predictors of your skinís health. Some of the main elements that take a toll on the pleasant and texture of your skin are stress, lack of sleep, bad nutrition, pollution, damage from the sun's ultraviolet rays, excessive smoking and consuming alcohol. There are thousands of skin and splendor care merchandise that promise to supply you clear and glowing skin. Instead of relying on these products, you can strive some simple and convenient domestic remedies to enhance the basic fitness and look of your skin. 1. Lemon. Lemon is one of the quality ingredients that you can use to promote clear skin. The citric acid present in lemon helps hold the skin clear, and its nutrition C content helps minimize dark spots. Apply fresh squeezed lemon juice to your whole face and neck. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. After this, rub cucumber slices on your pores and skin to soften and moisturize it. Do this each day or each and every different day. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is an awesome antiseptic and skin lightening agent that helps decrease scars and other marks. Make a paste via mixing equal quantities of turmeric powder and gram flour with a little water or milk. Apply it evenly on your pores and skin and leave it on until it dries. Wash it off with lukewarm water, scrubbing your pores and skin gently in a round motion. Follow this treatment once a week to lighten your pores and skin tone and take away scars. 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has many benefits for the skin. It has antibacterial houses that assist kill bacteria that motive acne, and can also help to soothe annoyed pores and skin and heal scars. It's additionally an awesome natural pores and skin moisturizer. Extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Apply the gel on your face the usage of a cotton ball. Allow it to dry on its own for about half an hour, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda balances pH tiers of the skin, which is very necessary to maintain clear skin. Plus, it helps to deal with issues like acne, pimples and spots. It also works as an first-rate exfoliating agent. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water or lemon juice to make a paste. Cleanse your face and use the paste to gently exfoliate the skin. 5. Cucumber. Cucumbers comprise hydrating, nourishing and astringent properties that are very properly for skin. They can improve the common look of your skin, including a sparkling glow. Cut a sparkling cucumber into thick slices and rub them absolutely all over your face. Leave it on overnight and rinse with heat water in the morning. Do this each day before going to bed. 6. Mint. The most important ingredient in mint is menthol, which has cooling and soothing residences that help keep the pores and skin healthful and glowing. Also, it has excellent healing houses that help battle off skin infections. Put 1 teaspoon of mint powder and 1 tablespoon every of plain yogurt and fuller's earth in a bowl. Set it apart for half an hour, then stir to get a clean paste. Apply the combination on your face and neck. Leave it on till it dries naturally. Follow these suggestions and use the domestic redress of your desire often, so you can see the results. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.